We are Omni Television, Vancouver, Canada, Cable 8 in Vancouver and Cable 10 in Victoria. We broadcast from the top of Mount Seymour on VHF Channel 42 with an effective radiating power of 80 kilowatts and from Victoria on VHF Channel 29 with an estimated 1 kilowatt of effective radiating power. Omni Television serves an audience of over 3 million people in 20 different languages. You can write to us at 88 East Pender Street, Vancouver, British Columbia, V6A 3X3. Please address your comments to the National Vice President. That address again is 88 East Pender Street, Vancouver, BC, V6A 3X3. We bid you a pleasant good night.